All right, guys, again, I just want to thank you for a great semester, and I'm going to show you how you enter the students' progress codes from home. Or you can do it here at school too, but from home, you can do this anywhere. So you would go onto Alverno's homepage, then you click Faculty and Staff, you click IOL, you log in. With your login, I'm going to use mine. All right, then you click Faculty menu, and you're going to go down under Academics. It's going to say Assign Progress Codes, Grade Equivalencies. The term here is Fall. Submit. Now I have all of these here. You'll only see the course you're teaching. Okay, you select it. I'm just going to use Stephanie's here as an example. You select it, you hit Submit. And then here is where you assign the progress codes. So you would put valid progress codes are S for satisfactory, I for incomplete, U for unsuccessful, or UW for if they dropped or withdrew, because it's after the drop date. Those go here. The grade point equivalencies go in the next drop box. So obviously, if they're successful, it would start at 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, and 4.0. So what instructors decided on in past semesters is that we would use the Likert scale at the bottom of the clinical performance criteria of never, sometimes, usually, whatever they are. So the better they do, the higher up they go. You average it, and that's their grade point equivalency. Others, instructors have decided that if a student is successful in their clinical course, they automatically fall in the 3.5 or 3.0 category. This is your academic freedom. It is up to you how you want to assign it, but you'll need to put one in, and that's what it means. In the email that I'm attaching this video to, I've attached the sheet that also kind of helps you decide which ones they are. All right, if you have any questions about that, let me know, and Merry Christmas.